Data, that ethereal essence that lacks any physical weight, holds a paradoxical power in the palm of its intangible hand. Dr. Hwa A, in a compelling keynote lecture, highlighted a striking contrast. While an electron bears a minuscule mass and entities like humans and whales significantly more, data floats weightlessly. Yet, its capacity to transform our world is monumental. Imagine a world where the flow of water through aqueducts laid the foundation for burgeoning cities, where the printing press unfurled the banners of the Enlightenment, and newspapers stitched together the fabric of nation-states. These were the infrastructures of old, conduits for the essential: water, knowledge, information. As time marched on, so did technology. The telephone stretched conversations across vast distances, and the internet wove a web of global connectivity. But the journey of computers is particularly fascinating. Initially confined to air-conditioned basements as mainframes, they gradually moved closer to us, from nearby rooms to our desks, laps, and eventually, our pockets. Now, we stand on the brink of having computers not just at our fingertips, but integrated into our very beings. Wearables like Apple's Watch or the sensory substitution vest are mere precursors to the next leap: subdermal chips. These devices are not just gadgets, but portals to vast networks, transforming every individual into a live node on an ever-expanding global database. This evolution from aqueducts to AI-enhanced devices illustrates a profound shift. Data, once a static byproduct, has morphed into a dynamic, vital economic input. It's a raw material that, unlike physical goods, does not diminish with use. Its value only multiplies as it is processed and reprocessed, proving itself a non-rivalrous good that can be shared without depletion. The transformation doesn't stop at making objects smarter. It's about revolutionizing them. Just as past generations electrified manual tools, our era is about cognifying everything. This isn't just about automation. It's about enhancing intelligence, about embedding artificial intelligence into the fabric of daily objects, making them not only smarter, but integrally connected. In essence, every object infused with AI or intelligence augmentation gains a new dimension of utility and value. It's akin to plugging into a grid, not of electricity, but of intelligence, animating the inanimate in ways previously relegated to the realm of science fiction. Thus, the journey of data, from a mere byproduct to a cornerstone of innovation, mirrors humanity's relentless pursuit of progress. Through our ingenuity, we've transformed data into a tool that not only enhances our lives, but is becoming as integral as the air we breathe. As we continue to innovate, the boundary between technology and humanity blurs, leading us into a future where our lives are more interconnected than ever before.